BlueLed is the world's first remote-controlled suitcase. It is controlled using a small joystick that enables the user to navigate the suitcase around obstacles or through crowds of people with ease. The joystick connects easily with the push of a button. BlueLed has a quiet, powerful electric motor and a portable battery that is fully compliant with TSA regulations. This makes airport security checks easy. Regenerative technology allows the battery to self-charge when driving downhill, or when the suitcase is being dragged manually. 2 USB ports with protective rain covers enables you to charge up your electronics. The frontal pocket allows for easy access to laptops, books, electronics and other accessories, while the spacious main compartment is perfect for your other travel necessities. When in horizontal mode, BlueLed is excellent for transportation of your bags. BlueLed, be the master of your travel.